asked to simplify the square root of 108. So what we want to do is we want to think of the perfect squares. And the way that we get these numbers is we're just multiplying numbers by themselves. Um, so the perfect squares are these numbers that I'm going to write down in red. 4 is a perfect square, 9 is a square, 16, 25, and then 36. And so then what we want to do is we want to think to ourselves, is there a number that goes into 30 or goes into 108 evenly? So if I have a calculator, I know that 4 will probably go into it, and I think 9 will go into it. So I'm just going to check real quick on my calculator. 108 divided by 9 is 12. So in other words, 9 times 12 equals 108. So what I'm going to do is this can be rewritten as the square root of 9 times the square root of 12. Well, the square root of 9 is actually 3, right? Because that's what I'm squaring to get 9. So when I take the square root of something, I go backwards. But then I got 12 here, and I'm noticing that 12 is divisible by 4. So if 12 is divisible by 4, I can simplify the square root of 12 as well. So now the square root of 12 can be rewritten as the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. Why? Because 4 times 3 equals 12. And we can't forget this 3 here, so we're going to say 3 times the square root of 4 times 3. Well, 3 times the square root of 4, well, the square root of 4 is actually 2, right? Same thing. What did I multiply by itself to get 4? 2. So the square root of 4 is actually the base 2. And then I can't forget the square root of 3. So then 3 times 2 is 6. And that's my simplified version. So this mathematically is the same as this.